Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to unhide apps on iPhone. Let's get started. First, let me hide an app to demonstrate. I'll use Instagram as an example. Press and hold on the Instagram icon until a menu appears. From the menu that appears, tap on Require Face ID. Now, tap on Hide and Require Face ID to confirm. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Hide App to confirm. The Instagram app has now disappeared from your home screen and is hidden. Now, let's unhide it. Swipe left on your home screen until you reach the app library. In the app library, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You'll see a hidden folder. Tap on it. Your iPhone will now scan your Face ID for authentication. Once Face ID recognizes you, you'll see all your hidden apps, including Instagram. Press and hold on the Instagram icon. From the menu that appears, tap on Add to Home Screen. An option for Unhide will appear. Tap on Unhide. Now the app will be unhidden and visible on your home screen again. And that's it. You've successfully unhidden the Instagram app on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.